In last class we have studied, we have drawn one matrix from graph. तो अभी एक बार फिर से आप ड्रॉ करने की कोशिश करो. Just try to draw the incidence, try to write the incidence matrix of for a given graph. ABCD are four nodes. ABCD are four nodes, and remaining are elements are branches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are branches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are branches, and ABCD are nodes. Directly write in the matrix, that is complete incidence matrix from a graph. How you write the matrix? Rows are nodes and these are columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are columns. A, B, C and D are nodes. Okay? If you remember, so you can fill the values in this matrix either 1 or -1 or 0, right? Either 1 or -1 or 0. No connection, 0. Current leaving to 1 or entering to -1. So fill karo, just fill the matrix. नोड को लीव कर रहा है. इफ द ब्रांच इज लीविंग द नोड देन 1. तो ए में क्या है? 1 लीव कर रहा है +1, 2 लीव कर रहा है +1, 6 इन कर रहा है -1, 1 लीविंग +1, 2 बाहर जा रहा है नोड ए से, इज गोइंग आउटसाइड द नोड ए 1, एंड इन 6 no 6 branch number 6 is entering the node A, therefore I will take -1. Okay? Rest are not connected with node A. Rest branches are not connected with node A, therefore rest elements will be 0. Okay? Similarly, node B, what will be the answer for B node? 1 is entering the node, -1. 3 is entering the node, -1. 4 is leaving the node, +1. 6 is also leaving the node B, therefore -. When you fill the entries of B, just go to B. 1, 2, 3, 4 elements you have to fill. 4 leaving, +1. 3 entering, -1. 1 entering, -1. 6 leaving, +1. Rest element will be 0. Similarly, node C, come to node C, 4 entering, -1, 5 leaving, +1. Rest element will be 0. Anybody having any doubt or queries, they can ask. Appo, if you have any questions, any queries, any confusion, just you can ask. Okay. Next, last row. E, 2 entering, -1, 3 leaving, +1, 5 entering, -1. So 2, 3, 5 will be filled, -1, 1 and -1, and remaining elements, remaining branches will be. Okay? Remaining branches will be 0. So this is called as complete incidence matrix. This is called as complete incidence matrix. Complete incidence matrix. आप इसमें चेक कर सकते हो. You can check algebraic sum of all the columns elements are always 0. -1 plus 1 0, -1 0, -1 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, -1 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. ये आप check. Last time I also told that there is a one term which is we call it as a reduced incidence matrix. Reduced incidence matrix, you have to eliminate one row, that is reference node. If you are removing the one reference node, then this is called as reduced incidence matrix. This is called as reduced incidence matrix. Reduced incidence matrix. Reduced incidence matrix. Okay. I hope so everybody this is clear, because we have already studied this. I just repeated because of gap. Many are not understanding what is 1, what is -1 and what is 0. Now it is clear. It is just giving you a alignment or direction of the current in a graph. We are writing this matrix from the directed graph. Next topic is tree. On very first introduction lecture, I already discussed this. Tree. T-R-E-E. T-R-E-E. Tree is defined as a connected graph which has no closed path. If you go for a simple definition of tree, very simple basic definition of tree is a connected graph with no closed path. In the sense, connected graph means all the nodes are connected, but there is no closed path. Iska definition mein you can always write no closed path. Tree is defined as a connected graph which has no closed path. Graph is connected, but there is no closed path nahi hai. So that elements are called as tree. Okay? No closed path, or I can say no loop. No loop. So that part is called as tree. And next you go twig. T-W-I-G. T-W-I-G, twig. What is twig? Twigs are nothing but branches of tree is called as twig. Branches of tree is called as twigs. अब जब branches डिफाइन करेंगे ट्री के, कोई भी ट्री के branches डिफाइन करेंगे, तो that is called as twig. I hope so everybody getting. If anybody having any confusion, any queries, you can ask the question. Okay? I hope so you don't have second lecture today, or you have second lecture. Lecture है क्या है?
Fluid का है sir.
है क्या? As per new timetable, you have second lecture, na? As per new timetable, I think you have a second lecture of fluid mechanics. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So no issue. I am in thought that I will extend my lecture for 2 hours or 1.5 hours. But no issue. I will finish your lecture at 2 till 11 o'clock. So twigs, you understood what is twigs? Twigs are branches, elements of tree. ठीक है? और लास्ट क्लास मैंने ऑलरेडी बताया था ये ग्राफ है. From graph we will make a tree. Tree elements जो होते हैं, number of tree elements nt is equal to n minus 1, where n is number of nodes, nt is number of twig elements. जो branches है, जो branches होते हैं वो कितने हैं वो एंटी है, यानी कि मैं ट्विग्स बोल रहा हूँ. ब्रांचेस ऑफ ट्री आर कॉल्ड एज ट्विग्स. Twigs, how many twigs are there in a graph? That is given by n minus 1. In this case, in this example, it is 4 minus 1, 3. तो ट्री एलिमेंट्स हमारे पास कितने हैं यहाँ पे? 3 है. ट्री एलिमेंट्स, हाउ मेनी ट्री एलिमेंट्स आर देयर? 3. तो आप थोड़ा सा केयरफुली लिसन करो, लॉजिकल है. फॉर ए गिवन ग्राफ यू कैन मेक डिफरेंट ट्रीज, यू कैन मेक n number of trees, not n number of, लेकिन many trees can be drawn from a graph. ठीक है. तो आपको एग्जाम में कोई ट्री बनाने बोला गया, if elements are not given then every student has different answer. If particular tree elements is asked in question then everybody have a same answer. ठीक है. तो ट्री को आपको देखना पड़ेगा कि कौन सा बना सकते हैं. देखो ट्री एलिमेंट मेरे को 3 लेने हैं. इस ग्राफ से मुझे 3 ट्री एलिमेंट्स लेने हैं. अंडर द कंडीशन ऑफ डेफिनेशन ऑफ ट्री देयर इज नो क्लोज पाथ. अगर मैंने 1 2 3 लिया, इफ आई टुक 1 2 3 एज अ ट्री एलिमेंट देन क्लोज पाथ इज फॉर्म, दैट इज ट्री इज नॉट पॉसिबल. 1 2 3 ट्री इज नॉट पॉसिबल. ओके, आई कैन टेक 1 3 4. If I take 3 tree elements as 1 3 4, it is possible. 1 3 4 possible है. ट्री एलिमेंट 1 3 4 is possible. यानी आपका ट्री ऐसे बन जाएगा. 1 3. It's a graph, connected graph है, but no closure. 1 3 4 is possible. 1 4 5 is also possible. 1 4 5. 1 4 5 is also possible. 1 4 5 is also tree. So there are n number of trees you can draw. But remember, according to definition, there is no closed path in a tree. Closed path is not there. Open circuit and open path is a tree. You can make tree as a 1 1 2 5 also. 1 1 2 4 also. 1 1 4. One to 4 is also tree element. 1 to 4 is also tree element. 6 to 5 is also tree element. 2 5 6. Like this, you can draw the n number of trees. Okay? Only care you have to take, there is no closure. Okay?
4 6 2 होगा क्या सर?
हाँ, yes.
4 6 2.
4 6 2. 4 6 2. Yes, it is a tree element. This is 4 6 2. There is no closed path, open path. Yes, it is possible. ठीक है. तो finally conclusion is that you can draw n number of trees. Trees आप कितने भी बना सकते हैं. Trees you can draw n number. ठीक है. So what today we understood? There is a graph. Graph is given. For every graph, there is n minus 1 number of tree branches. Not tree, number of branches. So n is 4. So 4 minus 1, 3. For this graph, there are 3 elements on a tree. So elements of graph, these elements are called as tree elements, and elements of tree. Like this is called as tree, and elements or branches of tree is called as twigs. ठीक है? ये clear हो गया? Next method I am saying in next. Yes
sir. वहाँ पे n के वाले 4 कैसे है वो नहीं समझा.
क्या
n की आपने 4 कैसे पुट की?
n is number of nodes. N is number of nodes. Understood? For every branch there. 3 node, 4 node, A, B, C, D, 4. N is,
हाँ सर.
N is number of nodes that can be 4, 5, 3, anything. Nodes will decide the number of branches in tree. Okay? Clear? Now, next element is links. L-I-N-K-S. Links. Next element is links. What do you mean by links? जो branches, the remaining branches are called as links. Say 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 3, 4 is 3. 2, 5, 6 are links. The branches, the remaining branches out of total number of branches are called as links. I think this is clear. Suppose I took 1, 3, 4 as a tree element. The remaining branch is 2, 5 and 6. So 2, 5, 6 are called as links. 2, 5, 6 are called as links. So we will try to make this graph as, I can say the graph consists of branch links as well as twigs. So NT is equal to आपने क्या लिखा है? N minus 1. And total number of branches, B is total number of branches. N is number of nodes. L क्या है? Links. तो links क्या हो जाएगा? Number of links is equal to B minus branches minus tree element. Twigs. The branches minus this is equal to, or you can say number of twigs plus links is equal to B. Clear? A total number of branches 6 है, B is 6, NT is 3 and minus 1. Links भी कितने होंगे? 3. So how will you represent, draw the graph? Tree elements are drawn dark and link elements are drawn faintly. So if I am considering 1, 3, 4 as a tree element, 1, 3, 4 as a tree element, so these are tree elements and these are links. So links are represented by dotted lines. Links are represented by dotted lines. And tree elements are represented by dark line. Okay? Tree elements are represented by dark line and links are represented by dotted line. Now, anybody having any confusion, question? Because graph theory is very easy. You no need to study too much and no need to, there is no chance of any wrong answer. Once you understood means understood. But in Kirchhoff, KVL, KCL, always there is a chance of getting wrong answer. Here you don't have any issue. Once you understood means understood. What is tree element? Elements where it is a part of the branch, where there is no closed path, and links forms a closed path. When you connect a link, the links forms a closed path. Links in a closed path. The basic graph is represented by three elements and links, or we call it as a, this dotted part is called as co-tree. Co-tree we both. A simple graph is divided into two parts, two subgraphs. One part is tree, another part is co-tree. Tree elements are called as twigs and co-tree elements are called as links. Okay, tree elements are called twigs and co-tree elements are called as links. Okay, I hope so everybody understood this. This formula also you understood. The number of elements in links is B minus N minus 1. or you can say graph is a union of tree and co-tree. ग्राफ इज द यूनियन ऑफ ट्री एंड कोट्री. अब इसको भी मैं एक मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म में लिखूंगा. Unless and until you represent mathematically, in the first class I already told you why we are studying this for computation. अगर आप इसको mathematically, if you are in position to produce the mathematical form, then you can directly feed in computer. Otherwise, graph, you will not feed graph in computer. You have to feed mathematical data in computer. So tree and twigs का मैं graph बनेगा. Graph, I am making a graph, matrix form, and that matrix is written in the form of line. Same incidence matrix. Now trees and twigs elements are separated. First tree element है रहेगा. Nodes are like this: A, B, C, D. Nodes I am not changing. Tree elements I am a little bit changing. Okay? I will not write in the order 1, 2, 3, 4. I will check. Three elements is 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. This part is tree. Or I call it as a twigs. And here links. 1, 3, 4. 2, 1. In this form, incidence matrix is separated as tree elements and link elements. Tree and co-tree. Twigs and links. Okay. Same incidence matrix I am writing. Only thing is, on that incidence matrix, I wrote 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here I am writing incidence matrix in the form of just separation. 1, 3, 4 tree elements and 2, 5, 6 as co-tree element or links. Now just fill the matrix. 1, A node living 1, 3 and 4 is not there. Okay. B, write down B. Two is also living. 5 not connected. 6 interconnected. Write for B. All of you try to write. Living 1, entering -1, no connection 0. Write for B. डस्टबिन को थोड़ा देख. Just you can write, no issue, huh? Just simply write the values of whatever answer you are getting. There is no issue. Just I separated. आपका आंसर मोर और लेस पहले जैसा रहेगा. कोई हमने चेंज नहीं किया. बी में क्या हो जाएगा? 1 is entering -1. 3 is entering -1. 4 leaving. Like this. You can fill it. C is connected to 4 and 5. D is connected to 2, 3, 5. Two is -1. डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज, हमने थोड़ा सा ट्री और वो एलिमेंट को हटाने की कोशिश की है, इसका कोई सिग्निफिकेंस नहीं है। अभी हम आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू सम अदर पार्ट ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स दैट इज कॉल्ड एज कट सेट मैट्रिक्स। वी कॉल इट एज अ कट सेट मैट्रिक्स। ठीक है, आई होप सो एवरीबडी अंडरस्टूड दिस। नाउ मेन पार्ट इज कट सेट। फाइनल कंक्लूजन इज कि हम लिंक हेलो
सर डी में 3 की वैल्यू 1 चाहिए डी में।
वन होगी। I hope so everybody has note down. Just I am writing this. Next part of the is very important, that is cut set matrix. Cut set. That is cut set matrix. What cut set matrix means? We are cutting the graph. Why it is called as cut set matrix? Because we want to cut the graph. We want to cut the graph. ग्राफ को कट करोगे by removing one tree element. ठीक है, तो आपको एग्जाम में ये कट सेट मैट्रिक्स ड्रॉ करना है। अभी मैंने क्या किया था, एक बैकग्राउंड बना दिया कि हाउ टू ड्रॉ कट सेट मैट्रिक्स। कट सेट मैट्रिक्स ड्रॉ करने के लिए हमने बैकग्राउंड बनाया। अब हम रियल में कट सेट मैट्रिक्स, तो दिस ग्राफ इज विथ यू, दिस इज मेन ग्राफ, दिस इज ग्राफ कंसिस्ट ऑफ ट्री एंड लिंक्स, ट्री एंड कोट्री, और ट्विग्स ट्री एलिमेंट्स एंड लिंक्स कोट्री एलिमेंट्स। अब इसका मैं आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक द कट सेट मैट्रिक्स ऑफ दिस। व्हाट इज यू मीन बाय कट सेट मैट्रिक्स? तो उसको सीखो करो। By removing a set of branches, by removing a set of branches from a linear graph without affecting the nodes. Nodes को affect नहीं करना. Nodes will be as it is. Just by removing a set of branches from a linear graph without affecting the nodes, the two connected subgraphs are. तो हम इसको कट करेंगे तो दो ग्राफ में कन्वर्ट हो जाएंगे. Two connected subgraphs are obtained. And the original graph becomes unconnected. So हमें what cut set means? हमें एक set of graph बनाना है, unconnected graph, यानी इसको काटना है सब, ठीक है, और without removing the nodes, ठीक है। तो मैं कुछ काटने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ अभी ग्राफ को, ठीक है। ये थोड़ा सा केयरफुल देखो हाउ आई विल कट द ग्राफ, ठीक है। तो मैं क्या करूंगा, ट्री एलिमेंट्स क्या है मेरे, 1 3 4, आई हैव 3 ट्री एलिमेंट्स 1 3 4, तो मेरे 3 कट सेट मैट्रिक्स बने, और आई हैव 3 कट सेट्स, तो कट सेट 1, कट सेट 3 एंड कट सेट 4। आप नाम कुछ भी दे सकते हो, तो मैंने 3 एलिमेंट्स के नाम दिया है। कट C1 एक काटूंगा मैं, C3 एक काटूंगा, और एक C4 एक काटूंगा, और आई मीन टू से आई विल कट 1, I will cut 3 and I will cut 4. So tree elements, I will cut the tree elements of a graph. ठीक है? I will not look for co-tree elements और links. Links कट रहे तो चलेंगे, but tree element at a time मैं 1 को एक बार काटूंगा, एक बार 3 को काटूंगा, एक बार 4 को काटूंगा, और respectively I will draw write a matrix. ये मैट्रिक्स जो मैंने पहले लिखा था उसका ही मैं एक्सटेंडेड पार्ट कर रहा हूं। दिस मैट्रिक्स इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। आपको एग्जाम में यही पूछा जाता है, ड्रॉ द कट सेट मैट्रिक्स। कट सेट मैट्रिक्स ड्रॉ करने के लिए आपको ट्री एलिमेंट क्या है मेरे पास, 1 3 4 दिस इज ट्री एलिमेंट एंड कोट्री एलिमेंट क्या है आपके पास 2 5 ये ट्विग्स है ये लिंक्स दिस डाटा इज विथ so this cut set matrix is written with respect to not nodes with respect to cut sets एक बार मैं C1 को काटूंगा एक बार मैं C3 को काटूंगा और एक बार मैं C4 को काटूंगा C1 C3 C4 cut set matrix is written with respect to cut sets. C1 is one cut set, C3 is one cut set, C4 is one cut set versus tree elements. All graph elements separated as tree elements and code. 1, 3, 4, 2, 5, 6 कॉमन है, बट यहाँ पे आपका जो नोड्स के बदले क्या आ गया कट सेट्स आ गया। बहुत सिंपल फॉर्म है कि कट सेट मीन्स काटना है। द नेम कट मीन्स you are cutting a graph. First I will cut 1. तो देखो मैं 1 को कैसे काट रहा हूं। Just see, मैंने 1 को काट दिया, ठीक है, डॉटेड लाइन से मैंने 1 को ऐसा काट दिया। काटना मीन्स डायरेक्टली चॉप करना, ठीक है, कटिंग द ग्राफ। And cutting the graph means I have to cut only 1. ठीक है, 3 and 4 will not be affected because 3 and 4 are tree elements. So I have to cut one tree element at a time, C1. तो इसको मैं नाम दे रहा हूं C1। काटा हूं मैंने ना, उसको नाम दे रहा हूं मैं C1। C1 ने 1 एलिमेंट को कट कर दिया। दिस इज 1 एलिमेंट एंड 1 एलिमेंट आपका कट गया है। वन एलिमेंट कट गया मीन्स क्या? वन एलिमेंट कट गया मीन्स C1 ने 1 एलिमेंट को काट दिया। अब C1 के आप डायरेक्टली ना वैल्यूज भर दो, तो C1 का डायरेक्शन क्या होगा? डायरेक्शन विल बी ऑफ डायरेक्शन ऑफ 1। तो सबसे पहले व्हाट यू विल डू, फर्स्ट मेक अ C1, कट सेट करो, कट सेट आफ्टर कट सेट टाइम, आई थिंक इसका टाइम हो गया जूम मीटिंग का। यू कैन रीजॉइन, हाँ, वंस यू विल गेट डिस्कनेक्टेड ना अगेन रीजॉइन, और आई विल स्टॉप एंड यू कैन रीजॉइन अगेन। एवरीबडी लिसनिंग मी ना? जॉइन अगेन।
Yes, sir.